Hello, and thank you for joining us. Today, I'm pleased to be speaking with Margo Alexy, Technical Sales Representative at NWPX Park. NWPX is a North American leader in water infrastructure. Their NWPX Park brand specializes in pre-assembled and pre-plumbed water management systems that are designed to optimize efficiency, reliability, and environmental compliance for projects nationwide. Today, we'll be focusing on the PumpTrooper lift stations, fully integrated automated pump lift stations that simplify wastewater and stormwater conveyance while reducing installation time, lowering costs, and enhancing system safety for contractors, owners, and developers. To start us off, what makes NWPX's PumpTrooper lift stations stand out in terms of rapid installation and operational reliability compared to traditional lift station systems?
Traditional lift station systems require the contractor to individually source the components. The wet well comes from one vendor, pumps and controls from another, and then the valves and piping from yet another vendor. NWPX is a single source for prepackaged systems that include all of these components, which are pre-assembled and arrive on the construction site complete, leaving minimal plumbing connections for the contractor.
Thank you. Now, how does the automation and integrated control panel in PumpTrooper lift stations help ensure efficient water management and system safety for operators and facilities?
Pump lift stations need some sort of level control to turn the pumps on and off. For most lift stations, this is done with flip switches that are placed at a predetermined level in the well and a control panel that sits above the lift station. The control system turns on the pumps when the water level is high and turns off the pumps when the water level is low, which protects the pumps from running dry. The control system will also provide alerts when there's something wrong with the pumps or if there's too much inflow and the pumps can't keep up. This is very important in wastewater to protect the environment from an overflow event.
Thank you. Lastly, what kind of support does the NWPX Park team provide to help streamline project planning, from design to delivery?
Our team of engineers can assist with lift station design at the preliminary stages of your project. We can determine pump selection and well sizing based on the location and piping requirements. After the lift station is produced, our team works with the contractor for efficient on-site delivery, and we guide them through the assembly while providing in-person startup testing and staff training on the equipment.
Thank you, Margo, for being a part of today's Vodcast and sharing insights on the PumpTrooper lift stations from NWPX Park. To learn more, please visit www.nwpxpark.com.